friends and fellow vintage lovers. I wanted to post a short haul video from today. I found a new thrift store, and I also went to a couple of estate sales in my area, which for the most part, the estate sales were a little bit too high for resale, but I'm going to go back to a couple over the next 2 days, and the discounts will be in effect, so that will be fun. But most of these I got at the new thrift store. The first thing that I have to show you are these owls. I have to admit, I got these for myself. I've had a rough couple of days here lately, and I needed some retail therapy for me. And if you watch my channel, you know I collect owls. And these two are just awesome. They're a pair of Homeco owls. And they do still have their sticker on the bottom. I apologize for the lighting. I am still getting lighting set up here in my office. But hopefully that'll be finished over the weekend. But I'm so excited to be able to film in here finally. It's been a while, and it's been a process. But these are my cutie patootie Homeco owls. I just love them, love their expressions. They had to come with me. Okay, I also picked up this kitschy guy. I'm not going to pick him up, but he's actually light, believe it or not. He is plastic, and he's a fantastic squirrel. There was just something about him. I don't know. And now that I'm looking at him, is he a skunk? He might be a skunk, but he has no white on him. So I'm going to stick with squirrel. And he has a little flower. Look at how cute that is. I don't know when he was made. I haven't researched any of that yet, but I'm going to find out and hopefully offer him in a live sale. He will not be too much to ship because even though he's big, he's light, so he'll fit, in a little bit of a larger box, but it won't be expensive to ship this guy at all. I also found at the new thrift store today this piece of Carnival Glass. I believe this is from the 70s. I have not researched it yet, but I definitely will. It has a really pretty, sunflower pattern here on the bottom. I'm glad the color is showing up. It looks really nice. But I was surprised to find that in the wild, not at an estate sale, I meant to say, but at an actual thrift store. Okay, the next item, this is something new for me. I never picked up a music box for resale, but I thought, first of all, the box is stunning. It is one of the music boxes that does have all the gears and all the equipment visible through it, which I thought was cool. But this is very high quality. It is made in Italy, and the name of the company is Rouge. I'm not sure. The song is Feelings. I am not going to turn it on right now, but it still works perfectly. You know what? Maybe I will turn it on. Let me see if I can do that while I am holding the phone. Like I said, the past few days have been a little bit rough, and I'm tired. I don't want to break anything, but let's see if we can get this one to go. No. Oh, there we go. I thought I hadn't winded it up enough, but it's just really pretty. Yeah, it still needs some more winding, I think. But it's in excellent shape. It looks brand new. It is vintage. I'm going to shut it so the song doesn't annoy any of you. The song is called Feelings. I'm not sure if I know that song yet or not, but I will definitely find out. Okay, I picked this up because I'm a boho lover and purple's my favorite color. This is just a really cool tin. I absolutely love the design. I may offer it up in a live sale if I decide not to keep it for myself, because it literally goes with everything I have. But how cool is that? I love it. And I don't think it's vintage. I think it's newer, but that's okay. I also picked up these kitties. These are 3 kittens in a basket. And they do have a tag still on them. They're called the House of Lloyd, or the company is. And it does say that they're porcelain. I'm going to do some more research on them to verify that, but it looks like they could be. They're in excellent shape. There are no chips or scratches, and they're just some kittens having fun in a basket. One of them is still asleep while the other two are goofing around, but I know how many cat lovers there are, and I had to pick that up for one of you. Okay, this one I have picked up too. This is a humpback whale, as you can see, and this is just, where you, a candle holder where you put the votive and the light shines through to illuminate the whale. I just thought it was amazing. I've mentioned before, I have done some work for an ocean conservation group, and I have had the pleasure of being in the ocean with some whales. Probably the most amazing experience was being in California and seeing blue whales. They are the largest mammal in the world, and they are becoming endangered. So I was so happy to see them. There were a lot of tears on that trip, but it was lovely. We left out of San Diego and went quite far out to the Pacific. Some other whale watchers had spotted them, so we kind of knew where to go, but oh my gosh, it was amazing. And luckily, I do have video of that. I also spent a wonderful trip with one of my best friends in Oregon, and we went to see the gray whales, and oh my gosh, it was heaven. We were on an inn, actually out on the water, and the gray whales were there like the whole time we were there. I spent a lot of time watching them. I went down from a hotel and got closer to them on some kind of scary rock embankments, but it was worth it. I didn't get hurt, and I got so close to them. It was amazing. I could hear them. I could hear them calling. I could see a mama and her baby. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up. I'm not sure if I'll keep it or not. I have quite a bit of whale memorabilia, but I might. I thought it was pretty regardless. Everyone loves fairy lamps, but there are other ways besides fairy lamps to make pretty lights in your room. And wouldn't a whale be cool? I think so. Okay, I also picked up another Homeco piece. And this is actually a set. These are, as you can see, butterflies, and they're from 1973. It actually says so on the back. I don't have good enough lighting for you to see it, I don't think. But you probably can see where it says Homeco, I hope. I wish I'd found more than 2. I'm assuming there were more in the set, but I'm not sure. This one is larger than the other. They're just awesome. And I love that they're gold. Perfect for any boho lovers out there. And I've been doing really well with tins lately. I think a lot of people are, interested in them and wanting to pick up more for their collection. And pink seems to be a very popular color for it. This would be perfect for your bedroom or Valentine's Day or just for anyone who loves pink. So I had to pick that up. I also got this figurine, which I found very interesting. These are 2 Chinamen. I am not sure what they're playing. Maybe is it Mahjong? I can't tell. And the light's too dark in here for me to really get a good look. They're in excellent shape. I have no idea if they're vintage or not. They may not be. I know from experience shopping in Chinatown in New York and San Francisco that there are a lot of modern pieces that look like this too, but I thought the detailing was just awesome. And as you know, love me some Asian decor, so I had to get that. I am not going to move everything to show you, but I got another really pretty doily. It's large and it's pink as well. Looks really pretty against that red. I've been picking up doilies lately. Never thought I'd be type of person to get doilies, but they just keep coming home with me. I'm not sure why. Okay, this piece is so cool. This obviously is a snake. It is a very large piece, and it's wood. It definitely looks South American to me. I'm sure it probably is. There was no information on it. I got it at the thrift store, and I'll have to do a little bit more digging. It's so boho. Look at the design on him. He is so cool. I just love him. I'm hoping to do a boho sale sometime to copy Michelle at Comfy Cozy Living, but also because I have a lot of boho items and I'm drawn to them as well. She and I seem to have the same taste. I bought a purse from her today and I'm so excited. But anyway, this snake is just awesome. Look at him. So cool. I haven't measured him yet, but he is huge. And then this last piece of fabric, you know, this is a piece of embroidery, a tapestry type piece of fabric, and I'm probably going to use it as a prop unless someone else tells me they're interested. I could definitely put it in a live sale, or if you want to DM me or send me, send me a message on Instagram or send me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com. And I'm just going to end this video on what made me happy today when I really needed it. And that is these two precious owls. I hope everyone had a great Thursday, and I hope you have a great weekend. I'm going to be out early in the morning, going to garage sales and estate sales, so hopefully I'll have another haul. And myself and Gina at Vintage Digs will be doing a Saturday morning haul / sale. It will probably be shorter than normal. We had 2 sales on Tuesday, and we are actually looking to move away from the Saturday morning sale for a couple reasons, but the main reason is that a lot of our viewers are also resellers, and it is kind of prime time, being Saturday morning, for people to be out on the hunt looking for what they need for reselling. So we're going to be looking at a couple more time slots, so we will definitely keep you posted. And thanks for watching, everyone. I would appreciate it if you could comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every one of you, and again, I thank you for your support. Everyone in this community is awesome. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.